5 Secrets to Unlocking the Power of Duty 1. The year was 2003, and the gaming landscape witnessed a seismic shift with the release of Call of Duty 1, a first-person shooter that would go on to redefine the genre and lay the foundation for one of the most successful gaming franchises in history. Developed by Infinity Ward and published by Activision, the original Call of Duty game took players on an immersive journey through the harrowing battles of World War II. Here are 5 secrets to master this game. Number 1. Use the iron sights. Click the right mouse button to use the iron sights of your weapon and aim more accurately. This will reduce the recoil and spread of your weapon. Number 2. Use your squad. Press the F key to communicate with your squad and give them orders. They will follow you, cover you, and alert you of enemies. Use the Q and E keys to lean and peek around corners. Number 3. Use the grenades. You can carry up to 10 grenades of different types: frag, smoke, and steel hand grenade. Use the G, H, and J keys to throw them. Frag grenades explode and cause shrapnel damage. Smoke grenades create a cloud of smoke, and steel hand grenades have a longer range and a louder sound. Number 4. Use the vehicles. You can enter and exit vehicles by pressing the F key. You can switch seats by pressing the C key. The vehicles are a Jeep, tank, and truck. Jeep can carry 4 passengers and has a mounted machine gun. The tank can carry 2 passengers and has a main cannon and a coaxial machine gun, and a truck can carry 6 passengers and can ram enemies. Number 5. Use the cheats. Press the tilde key to enable console and type the cheat code followed by the enter key. Some of the cheats are God, no clip, give all, map name, no target, and timescale number. These cheats will make you invincible, fly through walls, give you all weapons and ammo, load the specified map, make enemies ignore you, and change the speed of the game.